Will Trump budge on the tariffs? According to betting app Polymarket, the chances are pretty bleak unless it's Israel. The platform also sees a 65% chance of a U.S. recession in 2025. And this marks a sharp increase from just 38% last week. In fact, this shift follows President Trump's announcement of new trade tariffs on major global economies, which has led to heightened concerns about the U.S. economy. As tariffs on countries increase, markets are pricing in a higher likelihood of an economic slowdown. The trade measures are expected to increase costs for domestic importers, which could result in higher prices for consumers and reduced spending. Polymarket's prediction market reflects broader economic sentiment. Major investment banks like Goldman Sachs and JP Morgan have also raised their recession forecasts, and these forecasts reflect the growing risks tied to Trump's tariff strategy, which could disrupt global supply chains and fuel inflation. Despite bets on a recession, there is still some optimism among speculators. However, the outlook for a quick reversal of tariffs remains pessimistic, with low chances for tariff reductions in the near term. In fact, Polymarket also indicates the global impact of these tariffs. While there is a 3% chance that tariffs on China will end before May, a longer timeline sees a 15% chance of Canadian tariffs being lifted by May. Interestingly, bets suggest that certain Asian countries, including South Korea and Taiwan, could see tariff reductions later this year. Israel leads by a big margin when it comes to bets on tariff reductions. And this reflects the strategic use of tariffs as a negotiation tool by the Trump administration, with the president noting the potential for cuts if countries offer favorable trade deals. Still, the prevailing sentiment points to a cautious economic outlook. To stay up to speed with the latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.